Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure SmartThings Hub with Samsung Smart Home Automation, detailed guide step by step clearly.
Begin by ensuring you have all necessary components. This includes your SmartThings Hub, a stable internet connection, and the SmartThings app installed on your smartphone. Connect the SmartThings Hub to a power outlet using the provided power adapter. Next, connect the hub to your Wi-Fi network. For the best performance, consider using Ethernet if available. Once the hub powers on, look for the indicator light to confirm it's ready. Now, open the SmartThings app on your smartphone. If you don't have an account, follow the prompts to create one. Log into your SmartThings account using your credentials.
On the main screen, tap on the plus sign or the Add Device option. Select SmartThings Hub from the list of devices.
Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your hub to the app. You may need to scan a QR code or enter a pairing code found on the hub. Once connected, the app will display the hub on your dashboard. Now it's time to add your smart devices. Return to the main screen and select Add Device again. Browse through the categories to find compatible devices. Ensure these devices are powered on and in pairing mode. Tap on the device you wish to add and follow the instructions on the app. Repeat this process for each smart device you want to integrate. After successfully adding devices, organize them into rooms for easier management.
Navigate to the Rooms section in the app to create or edit rooms as desired.
You can also create scenes for specific activities, such as movie night. Select the Automation tab to set up routines and automation. Choose conditions for triggering actions, like time of day or device status. For example, set your lights to turn on at sunset. Customize notifications to stay informed about your automation activities. Test your setup by controlling devices through the app. Adjust settings and create additional scenes or automations as necessary.
Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.